Hey guys, welcome back to my series of videos of solving LeetCode problems. Right now, looking at 412 Fizz bus. So given an integer n, return the string array answer, which is from index 1 until the integer n inclusively. And each of the indexes, each of the positions of the answer array, it will be Fizz bus if I is divisible by 3 and 5, Fizz if it's divisible by 3, buzz if it's divisible by 5. Answer or I as a string if none of the above. So this is a simple, pretty straightforward thing. So we start with answer and we iterate for I in range 1 and n plus 1. So let's check, it's divisible by 3 equals and rest of the division by 3 equals 0, divisible by 5 equals n division by 5 equals 0, and we now just need to do some ifs analysis. If divided by 3 and div is divided by 5, then answered you append Fizz bus, and now you do a bunch of elifs. So elif, and then this is the else. If it's divisible by 3, it's Fizz, and if it's divisible by 5, it's bus. Else, we append the string version of I, and then at the end, last but not least, we just return answer. We submit this. Where did I go wrong? For I in range, so it should be 1, 2 Fizz. Why is this happening? Because I'm doing n, should be doing I. Yeah, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it.